Hi everybody, I'm back with another video twice in one day, and that's because I want to get to 10 subscribers. Now I must admit I've been getting pretty stressed out from playing Fall Guys. You know, I keep getting like held up at the end by some like 10-year-old who thinks it's funny. It's not funny, it's my life. So what I do when I get stressed out is sometimes I like to do a jigsaw. So I think that's what I'm going to do today with you guys, to show you how to de-stress with jigsaws. So the jigsaw that I've gone for is Fall Guys jigsaw, and I'm going to show you how Fall Guys can also cause stress, but how you can use Fall Guys to alleviate stress. So let's get cracking. I think you know the concept of a jigsaw. So we've got all these pieces. I'm going to put them together. So I think the most important thing about jigsaws is to do the outside bits first. So you've got to find all the edges. This is a 100 and something, 150 piece I think, but you can do up to 100, so I'm going to maximize this. There we go, just to make the jigsaw experience less stressful and more relaxing. It's got different features. There you can look at the picture. That's the jigsaw we're doing. Oh, it's got look, cheating. You can cheat. Hang on. Oh my god, it's upside down. Ugh. Right, okay. It's going to be a little bit harder. But what else are you doing? Nothing. So you might as well watch me do a jigsaw for a bit. So it won't take that long, surely. Like half an hour, 40 minutes, something like that. Maybe even quicker. I think I'll be good, because I need to de-stress, see. So if I do it really quickly, then I'll relax, you know what I mean? So just watch me like relaxing, doing a jigsaw, and I'll talk you through some jigsaw related tips and tricks that I just know. I haven't picked them up, I just know them. It's just how it is, right? So yeah, find the outside bits first. Apart from there where I found some words, but I'm glad I did, because it helped me realise that some of them are upside down. So that's the point. I have to make all these go the same way to make it a little bit easier. There we go, look at that. Let go there. Nope. Nope. Okay, sometimes the pieces will try and trick you, so be careful of that. I can be sneaky. Okay, so all the outside pieces. So that's a bit orangey. There must be another orangey one. Okay, turn that around a bit. Okay, I'm going to put all the pink ones here. There seems to be a lot of pink ones. This is a time-saving device. Little tasker tip if you want. Lots of tasker tips. There we go, look at that, straight in. Obviously I don't need to put that one upside down, because that's clearly the right way around. Okay, where are we? Sort through the jigsaw, try and find, oh, there's an end piece. Alright, good. So it should go there. Nope, doesn't. Should go there. Yep, that looks like it should go there too. Yep. Oh mate, look at that, flying through this jigsaw already. That is a hat or something. Don't know. Put that there. Right. Okay. So another red, orangey piece. That's another orangey piece. Go there. Nope. Okay. A bit here with some sky on it. No. Sky goes at the top. Surely. Sky goes at the top. Okay, that surely goes there. Oh, that's got words on it, yeah. Okay. It doesn't go there, right, great. So let's try arrange it. There we go, look at that. Flying. Flying. Has it moved all my orange bits? Oh no, some of them. Right, okay. That bit goes there. No, it doesn't. Don't know where that bit goes yet. If you find yourself getting stressed out with the jigsaw, just remember, the jigsaw is not trying to trick you. Jigsaw is your friend who wants you to solve it. So I tell myself that when I find the jigsaw tries to mess things up for me. Right, okay. It goes there. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, orange bit. No. Let's go there. No. So let's keep finding the end bits. Okay, that bit goes there, obviously. Bang. Jigsaw solver extraordinaire. That bit. That bit. I'm sure I moved that bit already. Okay. That looks like a foot, so that definitely goes there. That is a foot, look at that, yes. Bang. Now is there an orange piece? No. Kind of there, but that's a corner piece, so it can't be right. Nope, that looks like it should go there, but it doesn't. There's an orange piece, right. Okay, with a grey bit on top, good. And does that go into there, which then goes into there? Yes. Right, we are flying in the Jigsaw world. Okay, so, don't want to blow my own trumpet, but this looks like it's going to be a doddle. Bit goes somewhere. Okay. That bit goes somewhere too. But where? Surely that goes there. No, it doesn't. Right, but it goes there. Okay. Right. Right. A lot of pieces here all of a sudden. Right, okay. Yeah, that goes there. Good. So. Good. Ah, maybe that goes on the end. Right, okay. Progress. We're making progress. Okay. Cloudy bit. Cloudy bit. Aha, I've seen another one of them. Yep. Bish bash bosh. Right, any like really light grey bits? Yeah, there. No. Okay, but it must be near. Right, okay. So, there. Rather annoyingly, the picture of me is right in the way in the corner there. It's a bit annoying. Right, that's the top bit. That looks like a hat. That's the one. Bang. Bangarang, Peter. As they said in Hook. Classic film from the early 90s. Yep. Bash. Okay, yellow. No. No. Okay. Okay, right, okay, tricky. No. No. Yes. Excellent, right, a pink bit for that to go in. Don't have it yet. Right, okay. Must be here somewhere. Right, let's try it and arrange. Okay, a tasker tip. Don't forget to arrange. Right, pink bit. Pink bit. Where was the pink bit? Has it moved it? Has it arranged it? Oh, that is well annoying if it has. Nope. It goes there. Good. Yeah. No! What? Hang on, there's some major fracas kicking off here. What's the score? Right, okay. That goes there, yeah, good. Right, okay, is that go there? No. Let's move that around so it finds its home. Yes, excellent, right, okay. Cruising now, look at that. Right, where does this go? Okay, so some of these have got to be side pieces. I need a fully yellow piece. There's a fully yellow piece, right, good, bang. A green piece, that's a green piece. Boosh. Orange, fully orange. No. Yeah, there you go. Task tip, move it all around. No. Right. There we go, that's that, that's in the bottom piece. Yeah, that looks like it goes there. That's a cloud. Right, okay, good. But not to go there. Ha 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 ha. Excellent, right, good. Look at this, cruising. Everything's all stuck together. And, yep, good. That goes there, yeah, obviously. Boom. And where's the corner? Okay, move them all up. No. That goes, no it doesn't, right. Okay. Does that go there? No. My gosh, right. That doesn't go there either. So that goes there. That go there? No. Right, there's too many things on the screen. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, there we go. Right. Magic. So that goes there. Now we need a corner, which we haven't found yet. Okay, that's not good. So that looks like it goes with that piece. Put that there. Greens go together, yep. Okay. Right, so if you like what you're seeing, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends, because we're going to try and get to 10 views for this video. It's 5 views for the one where I played Fall Guys, but I'm optimistic that we can get more than 5 views. So I believe. And I reckon, yes, right, good, right, and I reckon we can make it happen. That's the dream. Right, I thought that was the top bit, but it's not. It's the bottom bit, right, okay. That's the linker, bang, bang, get in there, my son. Which means that's there, means there's only one side piece, so we can start putting some substance together, which is going to start off with, and there's a, yep, good, right, start off with these orangey bits, purpley bits, pink bits, whatever colour bits these are, we're going to start off with. Right, okay, so that's round, that's, doesn't go there, okay. Okay, no, yes, excellent, right, good start. Here we go. That doesn't go there or there. Right, okay. Was a good start, promising start. Been wrecked by dismal follow through. Right, okay. So these can't all be that hard to put together, surely. Right, that goes there, yes. Okay, excellent. What about something with a little tiny point? Nope. Okay, it's dark there. That's not dark. That's got a tiny point, yes. Right, okay. So something a bit regimented in terms of shape. Nope. Must be pink in the middle of one of them. Right, yes. Pink again in the middle of one of them. Yep, good. Pink. Right, so 2 ins and an out on the side. All pink. Are there any more pinks? Oh, some writing. Yeah, good. Right, something with a big bottom. Something with a big bottom. Not that one. But that one. Right, here we go, my son. Hey. What's that say? That says something. That says guys, doesn't it? Right, yeah, okay. Magic. Boom, good. Right, there we go. Where did that go? Ah, there. Right, okay. Right, so any more purpley bits? Yes, there is. Good. Right, purpley bits and bits like that, yeah. Bloom purple. Oh. Right, side bit, yeah. Sides are finished. Okay, bloom purple, there we go. Yeah. Bang, and again, bang, and again, and again. Different colour, probably go somewhere else. Looks like it should go there. Okay, bloom purple. Pink, 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 pink. Let's go in the middle. Oh, go there, yeah. Okay. Bit of a nice creamy colour. Go up here. Okay, purple, very purple. Excellent. Right, okay, so I hope you're learning lots from this jigsaw. If you have struggled with jigsaws in the past and you need a bit of a hand, feel free to message me. I'll give you my jigsaw tips. Right, that goes there, that goes there. That does, that does. Okay, purple on it, yeah. Bang. Right, okay. That definitely goes somewhere around here. Right, let's try and stick these together. Alright, so big out bit. What? Say what? Right. Okay, good. That bit's matched to that bit, which doesn't go there. Right. Does it go there? No. Does it go there? No. Right. Okay, that bit doesn't go there either. Come on, there can't be that many big in bits. Oh, right, yeah, there's loads of bits I've missed. Right, cool. That one. What's that bit? That's like an arm or something. Look at that. Yes. Alright, great. Alright, what about this orangey dude? Okay, do him in a minute. Okay. Ooh, that should go there, surely. Right. Yeah. Now we're cooking with gas. Or are we? Now we're putting stuff randomly in place. Yep, good. That's more like it. Oh. Yes, excellent. Right, good. It's more like it. Why is that really purple? Because that goes down here. Does it? Yeah, it does. Right, good. And that goes there because it's got a white bit on the end. Okay. That looks like it should go up here or something. Right, maybe it doesn't go there at all. Right, so I'm missing some bits here. Oh yeah, trousers, some trousers. Okay, let's try and move some around. Task tip, if you can't see it, move stuff until you can see it. Right. That bit looks like it should be going somewhere around here. Okay, what about this orange? Let's go for orange. Okay, yeah, that goes there, good. That must go here or something. Where do these go? That makes sense. Yes, right, ace, right, okay. Now we're cooking. Right, so orange and gold bits. Yes. Right. Orange and yellow. That's yellow, not gold. So this must go here. Yeah. Have a bit of that. How do you like them apples? Don't know about that bit. Ah, ah. Hide upside down. Oh yeah. Right, and that goes there. Yep. Right. Cool. Cruising. That goes there. Surely yes. Must go here-ish. Purple. Dark purple. Don't know. Right. This bit goes there. That bit goes there. Right. Great. Get this cruising through. Cruising through the jigsaw. Okay. Bang. That's an arm. Is that his arm though? No. It's his waist. Right. Okay. So where's the other gold and orange bits? I bet you're all at home screaming at your TVs going, Adam, what are you doing? It's really obvious. That bit goes there. Can't believe you're not getting it right. Well, if you are, then I do apologise. There's nothing I can do about that. I can only go as fast as I can. And anyway, it's meant to be relaxing. So yeah, like zen to the max. Apart from when it can't find a bit and then it gets a bit annoying. Oh, what? That should go there, surely. Right. So what about that piece? That's a bit blue, isn't it? Right, okay, so let's have a think. So down here we've got grey, so let's look for some grey. Grey. Bang. Okay, any more grey? Again, I bet you're all watching it going, Adam, there's lots of grey there. Look at it. Okay, no. Dark, some colourful stuff. Right, okay, that's colourful, yeah. Great. Ah, look, them stripy pants. Good, right. Yep, there we go. Pink face, pink round face. Pink round face. Yep. More pink round face. Any more pink round face? Got to be loads more pink round face, but where is it? That is the question on everybody's lips. Where is the pink round face? Okay. Bush. Dude, look how cool that is, man. Right, okay. There we go. Progress. Where's that go? Alright, no. How confusing. Right. There we go. Right, okay. Cruising now. That looks like it goes there, and it does. Okay, looks like it should go there. Okay, right, okay. What's that? Green. There's something green there, dragon or something. Right, okay, green, let's find all the green bits, put them together. Okay, green. Green shoes, yep. Green bit. There we go. Yeah, crocodile or dragon or something. That bit, yep, green shoes. Pink round face. Okay, pink round face with a blue hat. Not that. Green. Green, green, green. Green, 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 that goes there, yep, good. It's got to be around here, man. Got to be Fall Guys, isn't it? Yeah. No, what? Don't get it right, okay. Right, this is slightly confusing. Right, okay, never mind. Green, yes, good. Magic. Right, that bit is quite colourful. That bit is quite colourful. It doesn't go together. Adam, it's obviously that bit that it goes to. You're all screaming right now. There we go, right, good. Right, yellow bit, right, excellent. Bang. Bang. No idea how that is not going there. Haha. Oh yeah. That seems to be too confusing for me as to why that doesn't go in the place that it obviously should. Ah, because it goes there. Great. Okay. Yellow with purple. That's purple. Here's yellow. Okay, yellowhead. There we go. Is that something down there? Yep, it is. Good move. Right. Right, so somewhere there, yeah. Obviously it's gold, yeah, right. And bang, magic. What about this little dude? Where do you go, eh? There's the old little house. There it is, upside down. Okay. There we go with that too. Cruising along, nice and easy. Goes there. This goes here. There you go. Right, this is the what I call the home run. Becomes a lot easier from here on in. No. No. There, yeah. That goes there, obviously. This is obviously going to this bit. Okay, cool. Goes there. It's also rather colourful, but goes here, clearly. That's rather colourful too, so that obviously goes on a big round face. Goes there. Da 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 da. And that finishes off the dude in the tutu, which can only mean one more piece. Bang, there we go. Fall Guys. So when you get too stressed, everybody, from doing Fall Guys and playing it and getting beat all the time, you can do a Fall Guys Jigsaw to de-stress. So thank you for watching all the way to the end, which I'm sure you have done, because who doesn't want to watch somebody do a jigsaw for half an hour? So yeah, let's get this view to 12 views for this. So thanks everybody, and yabba dabba doo.